box I got from Colorpop, which is a Valentine's mystery box. It was $49. I don't know if it's still available on the site. And I was surprised by how much came in it. I was really happy. There are like 3 different things that I personally bought, but the rest is all theirs. And the first item that we got was a nude pressed powder blush. And it's not my favorite color, but I will use it. Just not my favorite color. I just, I have other colors I like more. The next thing we got was a setting spray, and I opened it and it has this white film in it, and I do think that it might be from the cold, because it was like 9 degrees when this was delivered. So, I'm not sure. It's odd. I didn't know why it was there. But again, it was cold, so I shook it to see if that helped. It didn't. But it's cool. It does spray a nice fine mist. Now that it's warmed up, it's fine. And then the first thing is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette from Colorpop, of course. It's called Aura and Out. It's hard to see because I have my bright, stupid light on because it was dark in the living room, and I was hoping it would help, but it kind of made things a lot harder to see. But these are the names of the colors in said palette. Not sure if you can read them. Very beautiful colors though. I love them. They are ones I will use, but they're a little lighter than I was expecting, and the light green was it wasn't pressed, it was really loose in the thing. Alright, so the next palette we have is a Valentine's themed one, and it's called Lost in Love. It has 12 pans in it, and they all seem to be Valentine's themed with shades of pink and a gold in there, some nudes, and a silver, or champagne, whichever. I like the way they swatch so much better than the first one. Much prettier in my opinion, much more pigmented. That was a lost lipstick, and here are some blushes. That lipstick was a mauve. It was really pretty, but I lost it somewhere. This is a glitter, and the second one is a lot lighter and a lot finer glitter. The first one's really chunky, and I'm not a big fan. As you can see, I like the color okay, but the chunkiness, not a fan. The second one I did swatch, I'll show you later. This is a lip gloss. It has some fine glitter in it, but you can barely see it in a nudie color. And it was cold, so that's why it looks lumpy. And then this is another lip gloss. It is in a mauve. In my opinion, that's a mauve. It's called Heads Up. And it is, the application, it is, as it says, velvety, and it's not sticky. It applies really well. I love it, actually. I've used it several times since I got this. This is the first one that I bought myself. This is what I picked out. It's Player One So Glassy Lip Gloss. And I'm a magpie. I got it because look at the sparkle in it. It's so pretty. It swatches really well too. That's it. And you can see the swatch. And just above me, that hand is where the fine glitter was. And of course I had to get these. They're the Winx Club. My childhood. Hell yeah. Beautiful colors, and they're a chameleon eyeshadow stick, and that one is called Golden Pollen, which is a green that gradiates to a yellow, and this one is Fury the Dragon, which is a pinkish blue it's really pretty. And this is not doing it justice. The light is just washing it out a lot, so I saw that. I said, turn the camera off. You gotta see these. They are so pretty. So much prettier with the light off. There's the chunky glitter again. And honestly, the rest of them look really good with the light off too, so you get a more natural look and see how they look naturally. And to the other arm. There's the fine glitter. It's really pretty. It's just a light pink. And here's the Aura and Out palette, which is it's really pretty. It's kind of just greens and natural colors. And then the So Glassy and everything. I think it came out well. I like everything that came in this box, and I'm really happy with it. So.